Hello everyone, here's Team Alpha from Bennett University to let you know more about our project. E-Healthcare Management System is a web-based project developed in Java. The main aim of our project is to provide effective information to patients and doctors of a particular hospital in an online format. Considering our present scenario, which is COVID-19, concerns about the prevention and management of COVID-19 are on the rise, as it is very crucial at this time of a contagious epidemic that travel and transfer of a patient can be harmful to the unaffected. So, to minimize the diagnosis, treatment and follow-ups can be made online. Our project will definitely help a person to consult a doctor and let know of their prevention or symptoms if they feel any.
Hello everyone, I'm Aryan. Now I'm going to discuss about our project Healthcare Management System. Now I'm going to talk about the software requirements of the project. The software requirements of the project are the scripting language is Java and the front-end tool is HTML, and we are using SQL database. And now I'm going to talk about proposed system features. In this project, we are trying to implement which parts of a data mining project for hospital management that are equally highly similar across different hospitals in the nation, so that this allows us to design several data mining modules which can be portable across several hospitals, thus dramatically reducing the time to implement a data mining project in a new hospital. So now I'm going to talk about existing system features. Integration of corporate medical centers is very difficult. In most of the cases, the database is similar from one hospital to another hospital. Lack of generic and unique model, we have to implement the same set of data model in every medical center. So it is very difficult to analyze the efficiency and percentage of hospital resources. So like bed occupation ratio, administration, laboratory information, even in a single center. Thank you.
Hey Benetians, this is Ashray Dara. Our project E-Hospital Management System. The system forms an online listing platform for doctors and patients. Use of this application roots out the problems such as data missing, information mismatch, long line of patients in hospital, and many more. It accurately analyzes the usage of percentage of hospital resources, beds, occupation ratio, administration, laboratory information, etc. It utilizes CRIPS DM, means standard cross-industry process for data mining, for development of accurate and effective management system. Hope you must have liked our project. Thank you.
Here's a snap video of how our project works. Firstly, the patient has to register on our website. His or her data will be saved accordingly. The patient has to log in with their username and password. All the information which you will give to your respective hospital will be saved beforehand. Information based on their particular details will be displayed, and then they can consult their respective doctor by scheduling appointments with the acknowledgement of hospital staff. This website has three main modules, which is the doctor's account, the patient's account, and then the staff's account. So the merging and coordination between these three modules is the main lead to this website. So when you are required to consult your respective doctor, first you have to set an appointment with that doctor with the help of the staff's given information basing his or her free time. Then after you consult your doctor, the appointment will be successful, and then you can save your later information for later purpose for your second meeting or future foresee. You can even edit your details as per your convenience. All you have to do is register and then create a login ID with your respective doctor or hospital. Oh yes, please don't forget your password. Even if you do, your email will be registered, and then you can, as usual, click the forgot password button. We have also used data mining because it can contribute with important benefits to the health sector as a fundamental tool to analyze the data gathered by hospital information systems and obtain models and patterns to improve patient assistance.
Hello everyone, this is Preeti. I'm here to talk about the e-healthcare management system. I'm actually here to tell you the main features of our project. Actually, everyone is aware of corona, right? There are actually lots of cases adding up every day. We also heard that the number of beds are not properly available, the doctors are not properly available, and many more. So you need something that tells you that the particular doctor is available at that time. This hospital has a particular number of beds or something like that. A main feature is that to make the work efficient, more efficiently, you can do anything you want. You can just see if the doctor is available for you on your phone itself. You can book appointments, you can carry your invoice wherever you go, you can also have your prescription with you, and there are many more. It also helps to minimize the bed occupation. It helps us the users. It helps to improve the use of the operation theaters, and it also avoids the cancellation of the operations. It also helps us to know the emergencies, how emergency affects a particular area or a particular hospital, and how it affects on other people. It also helps us to know the clusters in the whole process in the hospital management, and many more.
Growing quality demand in hospital sector makes it necessary to exploit the data given to a particular person. So, the stored data can efficiently not be used. Not only the clinical data, but also our project will help minimize the cost of a particular treatment of the patient suffering from any disease.